All right. Well, anybody who has ever had kids knows that trying to get your car seat installed properly is a challenge.
Absolutely, and you want to get it right, and it's not always easy. So joining us this morning to tell us all about it is Kayla Blackmon, who is a registered nurse and a child passenger safety technician. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having us this morning. We're really excited to be able to come out and share this information because it is vital to strap your child in your car seat correctly. And a lot of people want to do it, they just don't know how to do it. So Infirmary Health has given us access to become certified child passenger safety technicians, which has been a godsend for us to be able to look at these car seats and help these people install them correctly. We are doing a car seat event this weekend that we're really excited and proud of. Our team has been working really hard on it to be able to offer this to the community for residents of Baldwin and Mobile County. It's going to be at the Thomas Medical Center in Daphne this weekend. That's Saturday, April the 6th. We're hosting it from 9 to 12. And we're calling it Coffee and Carseats because who doesn't have a kid that wants coffee, right? So please come by. We are doing coffee vouchers. We've partnered with Holy Grounds. It's a coffee truck. You can come by, let us take your car seat, let us look at it, let us install it for you. How nice is that? If someone would have offered me to install my car seat, I would have been there at the doors opening.
Sure, yeah.
So please stop by. Let's take a look at your car seat. Let's make sure it's installed properly. Get a cup of coffee, and we're also doing a raffle as well. So you can be entered to win about $100 worth of value for child safety items. So it's really exciting.
Now you've brought a car seat with you with a baby bear.
Yes.
Kind of talk to us about some of the need to knows about a car seat. A lot of people don't know that there's an expiration date on a car seat.
Yes. So we really run into this a lot with people who are buying used car seats, and I'm all about a bargain, but you have to be really careful where you're buying them and who you're buying them from. So number one, we have to make sure it's not expired. The materials actually break down after so long, so it's really important we look at those car seats, make sure they are in date. There are also recalls, super important. A great website to check your car seat recall is buckleupnc.org. You can quickly go on, look, make sure your car seat has not been recalled, and we do that as well at the car seat check. We will check for expirations to make sure it hasn't been recalled. And then of course, we want to look at the actual car seat. We want to make sure your child is strapped in properly. And if you are pregnant or expecting and you do not have a child yet, we will still make sure the base is installed correctly because that's a key piece of information. So basically, when we're looking at your child in the car seat, and I call him Teddy. So when you're looking at Teddy, we want to make sure that the chest clip is always armpit level. That's going to protect the strongest part of the body. A low riding chest clip down here on the tummy can actually cause organ damage, and it's an easy mistake to make. And I can tell you this because my car seat was installed incorrectly and I wasn't doing the proper things. So we want to make sure that chest clip is pulled up to exactly where it's supposed to be, chest. And then we also want to make sure that our straps are not too loose. A common mistake that I see parents making, especially with newborns, is they want to keep the straps really loose because they're scared they're going to smush them in the car seat. So we want to make sure that we tighten those straps down to we are not able to pinch up extra fabric. If you're able to pinch up extra fabric, it's probably a little too loose, and we need to tighten those straps on down to where we can only fit a finger breadth underneath.
Certainly some good tips, and you'll find out much more coffee and car seats, and it's coming up this Saturday from 9 to 12. You'll get some good information, I can promise you that.
Yes.
All right, Kayla, thanks for being here with us.
Thank you so
much. And we appreciate it very much, all the great tips. We've got more to come in just a moment.